So the tree removal firewood progress is going really well, but ran into a problem. I overloaded the wheelbarrow, and bottom line is, buy a tough one. This is the second or third time I've done this. The weak point is, it's not this part necessarily, it's not this, it's not the handles, it's the wheel. And it's not the wheel, oops, it's not this part necessarily. I think we did put a tube in this one. It's right in here. It's this joint right here. So what I did was, this is actually what it was before. It's basically plastic. I might have put that in there, I don't know. I know we've had issues. So I'm going to try it one more time, and then, I'm just going to load it lighter, and I'm telling you, next time I'm buying a tougher wheelbarrow, probably one of those dual wheel ones. We had that up to Zehr tree. I like it. Yeah, it's a little harder taking corners, but so this is what I'm trying. So I have a piece of PVC pipe. It fit in there pretty good. What happened was, though, it did rip some. You can see the metal ripped here. So actually I need to try to straighten that out a little bit more. Yeah, I don't know. That's not, no, that's just, it did rip here, and I bent it back, and that's just paint coming off. So that's the best we can do. So it was wobbling too much this way and putting way too much stress on. So what I'm trying to do is, this pipe here, turns out these fit in. These were the, they held it from going sideways. Well, it turns out they fit in here really nice. So I'm going to put them in there like that. And then to keep it from going sideways, I cut this piece of pipe, which I wish it was a little tighter. I wish it was tighter, but it's still going to work as keeping the wheel in the center. So now I'm going to put this, I just pulled one of these off so I can put it back on here, and then put this one in, and I found some lock washers, so I'm going to put them on too, and tighten it down really good, and try to be a little bit more gentle with it. But yeah, for the future, tougher wheelbarrow. And it's the wheel part, that's the part. Okay, let's see if this works and gets us by for a while.